Alright, so you got your classic ride or your daily driver like old Blue here is, and you go to use it and it's squeaking pretty good. Now, the reason why is in here there's a track and there's rollers. Well, once in a while they need to be lubricated, and I'm going to show you what to do. So first, get tools here, combination screwdriver and flathead, specialized Pittsburgh multi-tool wrench that has a T20 that you need for this hole here, and some Blaster silicone spray. So let's get at it. So there's a screw here, I already took that out, and like I said, there's a torque bit right here. Now if you don't have a torque bit in there, someone put a screw, but it's supposed to be a torque bit in there. Now, if you see something different down here, that's because I did a repair job on this a while back. I'll put that in the video, that way you can see that. Oh, you don't have to take this off all the way. So right here is what we're going after. This is the track, and this right here is your sun gear. So let's get to lubricating. And while we're here, might as well do the lock mechanism too. There we go. All right, there we go. So now I'm gonna put it back together. Make sure you don't lose this part. This part here goes on the inside. So this part goes on the inside of your crank. That way you don't scuff up your interior. Now, this screw here is my homemade fix because the screw that goes in here, it broke. And there you go. Smooth and easy to do. That's all I got for this episode. So if you guys like this content, please give a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button if you would, please. Don't forget to tap that notification bell, that way the algorithm knows that you like this content. All right, later.